Right now we go front. Front. Keep your backbone long. Long backbone. Stay. Good. And up. Right now, go up. Push. Okay. Try to make your backbone straight and long. Okay. Shoulder doesn't matter. You just push up as much as you can. Yes, and then go on to the side. You don't need a big. Yes, feel the stretch. And straight. Other side. To the side. Beautiful. And up. Very good. Okay? And then, sorry, hold your hand behind your head and look down. Close your elbow. Back straight, only your neck. Stay. 4 more counts, stay. Right now, arch your back. Go as much as you can. Go lower. Hold. And finish. Right now, put your feet together. Yes. Okay, let's relax the hip. Just relax. And then you push it down a little bit, okay? You don't need that much yet. Just let the hip open, okay? Don't hurt yourself. Let it go. Give a little push. Very good. Okay, one more time, girls. Okay, butterfly. Okay, total loosen up. Good. And hand down, push. Yes. Stay there. And up. Right now, arm up. Okay, let your hip relax. You go forward, reach as far as you can. Feel your hip relax, don't against it. Hold 8 counts. Good, up. Right now, you put your hand away, hold your hand, push this knee, go away. Okay? Feel your lower back, loosen up. Feel your hip, loosen up. Push it away, okay? As much as you can, push it that way. Good. Okay, let's do other side once, okay? Feel your lower back, okay? Let your lower back stretch, hip open, stay there, don't move. Good. Okay, right now we do one leg open. Good. Okay, so we go front, okay? Go reach as far as you can front. All the way down, we go 8 counts, don't move. Feel your hip, loosen up, let it go. Okay, up. Let's change the other side, okay? Other side. Just want your hip loosen up, let it go, okay? Don't against it. Good, girls, up. Right now we do an artistry leg, okay? See the leg bend, like artistry, hold as tight as you can. Hold it to you, okay? Yes, hold it tight. Yeah, hold it there. Your back arch is okay. Just stay there. Okay, we change the other side leg. Okay, other side, same thing, hold as tight as you can. Bend your knee. The knee is bent, okay? Stay. Good, girls. Okay, right now we lay down. Let you circle your knee, okay? Circle your knee. sorry, I go this way. Okay, you can cross, it's okay. You just stay like this, it's okay. Just circle. Just give a little circle. Very good. Circle. Beautiful. And then one leg up. Okay, you hold, stay. Hold, don't too tight, hold to you. Just give a little moment. Stay. Hold it. Good. Okay, release. Right now, leg go open. Close. Up. Circle around. Open. Close. One more time. Leg up. Open. And close. Beautiful. 去第二三 leg. Hold your leg. Hold to you. Okay? A little bit. You don't need too much. Just let it go. Feel the hip. Let it go. Good. Release. Right now, open to the side. Close. And up. Open to the side. Feel the hip. Let it go. One last time. Up. And open. And close. Beautiful. Right now, sit up. And then you open. Okay, leg open. Open. Okay, we continue working on. Okay, so we go rolling forwards. Okay, arms put front. Rolling forwards. Head up. Stay. And then rolling back. Arch your back. One more time. Rolling. Feel the stretch. Still a moment. And back. We do one more time. This time a little bit longer. You can go bigger if you can. Push forwards and elbow down. Stay there. Okay? Give 16 counts. Feel that stretch. Feel it? Push down. 8 more counts. 1, 2. Okay, up. Okay, close your leg and lay down. We go a big one. Okay, this time game go open and close. Go open and close. Continue open and close and power. Bounce it up. One last time. Open and close. Right now, open stay. Hold there. 16 counts. Let it go. Use your hand, hold your leg. Okay? Stabilize. Don't move. Eight more, stay. Let it go. If you can push it down, you push it down a little. Okay, finish. Okay, right now we do our first minute, okay? So get up and then we do all the way down, okay?